much for tuning into this video. If you're new here, my name is Tandy. If you couldn't tell by the title from today's video, we are going to be putting this whole entire look together with this $15 ponytail. $15? Girl, honey, yes. I've always loved me a good pony, okay? $15 ponytail from a black-owned beauty supply store here in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you guys want to see me put this look together, okay, then just keep on watching. Ooh, y'all, my hair is looking crazy. I'm over here looking at the monitor. This is looking crazy. In light of recent events dealing with, you know, the Black Lives Matter movement, I took it upon myself to find a local beauty supply store that was black owned. So I went inside and I purchased a few items. I'll leave their information linked somewhere on the screen. But I picked up this ponytail. This is the Shake and Go drawstring ponytail in the style Lollipop. So I'm gonna put this in right now. When I do my hair, I don't know about you guys, but I like to listen to some music, watch a little bit of YouTube, you know, that's just what I like to do. I'm gonna kind of fast forward through all of this, then we'll come back and I will do my makeup and talk about a few things.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the lighting kind of changing. I have my mirror here in front of my face. You guys know I talked about this in another video. It keeps going in and out whenever it loses the focus on me. Anyway, let's get started on my face. I'm gonna take a face cloth, just cleanse my skin with a little bit of micellar water. And I really want to thank each and every single one of you who made a purchase this weekend on tandycolada.com. And also, you know, with this weekend being celebration of Juneteenth, because you know, Black people, we not just gonna party on one day, okay? We gonna keep it going. If it falls on a weekend, that whole weekend, yeah, we claiming it, period. Like, it was just really humbling to have so many of you sell out of my products. I sold out of 2 products, and I am working currently to get those products back in stock for you guys. So to show my appreciation for you guys supporting a Black female entrepreneur, I actually threw in one of these in your order. I don't know what to call them, but one of these little skincare pads. I've been using these for a while, and I really like them. They are washable, so that also saves on buying so many cotton rounds, you feel me? If you guys would like me to sell these on the website, let me know down in the comments. I really like these. I've been trying to do my part on, you know, reducing my carbon footprint. One way that I do that is by having, you know, reusable products. I'm working really hard trying to get rid of paper towels in my home, but whew, that's a process. Since my skin is just recently been cleansed, I'm gonna refresh it a little bit with a little bit of my at-home spray. This is a rose water spray. And pack that into my skin. A little bit of hydration, because we know she needs it. A little bit of primer with SPF. Y'all know how I get down. SPF is the way to go. If you're not wearing your sunscreen, honey, get your life. I don't care what skin tone you are, you need sunscreen. You out here under these UV rays, honey, get your sunscreen. Okay, my skin is prepped. I've been really wearing so little makeup lately, so maybe you guys will be into this, because I'm not just gonna add extra makeup on for no reason. I have nowhere to be. This is just for the sake of this video that I'm getting cute. Should I zoom y'all in a little bit? Let me zoom in. What I'm gonna do is just fill in my brows. I've been trying to use as little bit of product as possible in my brow, but I just love a bold brow and want one so badly, you know? I'm gonna use this Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics Undercover Concealer in the shade The Middle Ground, I think. I'm just going to use a little bit of that to clean up my brow. This concealer is much darker than like my normal like under eye concealer. And you know what's crazy is that you would think that I would clean up my brows when they're not done, but now that they're done, look at me wanting to clean up my brows. Capping hard. Now what I'm gonna do, put that back. I'm gonna start working on some eyeshadow. We're gonna prime the lid. But I do feel excited, so I'm gonna play with some kind of color. I don't know what palette I wanna play with, but I feel like we should play in some color. This is the Rude Cosmetics Purple Flame palette. It looks like this. So this looks pretty promising. It also looks very neutral, so that tells you what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna dip into Nice Girl Like You. It's this color right here. Get out that creasing. Placing Nice Girl Like You into my crease. Ooh, this is a really pretty crease color. Wow. Love that. Y'all see that color? And the formula of these shadows are pretty good as well. This color is blending out very nice. It is a matte shade, so I want you guys to take note of that as well, because sometimes matte shades, they don't really blend out too well. They get kind of chalky. What I'm going to do next is go into What's Your Poison, which is this color over here. Let's go with that on the outer V portion. Oh, and if you guys want to know what brush I'm using, I am using the dual-ended Chanel brush. This is the blender and shader brush. For personal use, I love using double-ended brushes because it's just so easy just to like flip, boom, and boom. You feel me? I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Damn You Hot, which is that gold shade. Put that in the middle. Take a little bit of Call Me and place that in the inner corner. Kind of cute. It's different. I take that same concealer I use to clean up my brows. Use that as like a corrector because as you can see, it's kind of like peachy. And just for like a few spots, I'm gonna kind of spot treat. I got this scar above my lip. I've been trying to like lay off of a lot of concealer lately because I feel like it's been, I don't want to say irritating my eyes, but I find that my eyes respond much better to treatments whenever I don't use a lot of concealer. The nose in. Now I need some setting powder. I'm going to use a brush just to set under that eye. Just want to lock everything in place. What I really got a taste for, some peanut butter and jelly. I think I mentioned this on Instagram. I will literally eat a peanut butter and jelly every single day, okay? I have to. Like, it's just in me where I have to eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich every day. And right now, I feel like it's one of those times where I need a peanut butter and jelly sandwich to calm my nerves. So this eye look, are we into her? I think with this eye look, I need some liner though. So let me get my Hank and Henry liner because that one's been like my favorite here lately. Trying to do the thinnest line possible, but y'all know how that go. Gotta really make sure that I keep my wings thin because I have hooded lids and very easily it'll get, you guys see that like dip right there in my lid? That's where my crease is, and on hooded lids your crease sits lower, so I have to make sure that this line right here doesn't go up too high, so that way I'm not transferring, you know, my liner when I open and close my lids. I think I finally got my liner how I want it. Now put a little bit more of my Lavish Lip Oil treatment on. And you already know I'm about to throw on some lashes, so I'm actually about to try out a new lash style by my friend Whitney. Go ahead and add some mascara. My forever trusted House of Lashes glue. It is the quickest drying glue. We add in the glue to my lashes, and like it literally lasts all day. Like your lashes aren't going anywhere if you use this glue. While those are drying, I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder just to kind of even out my skin tone. I'm going to use this Lancome dual finish powder. Work that into my skin. I think that powder is such a good tool just to add a little bit of balance and color to the skin while still not feeling so heavy, you know. Whoa, this is a whole lot of lash, honey. She is not for the basic B, okay? Feeling it though. Ooh, she's gotta come into life. She might just have to step out. Like, let me call up some people. All these lashes is true. Bronze up my face, okay? Put a little bit down the center of my nose. And if you're wondering which bronzer I'm using, this is by Chanel. It's like kind of broken, but as you can tell, I love it. This is the Les Beiges Healthy Glow Luminous Color. I think I need to add in a little bit more warmth. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Fenty and go over that. The sides of my nose. Ooh, that looks really good. I've never used these two products together. Is layering bronzers a thing? Honey, she might have just did a thing. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of my rose water spray. So even though my lips have a little bit of oil on them, I have that Lavish Lip Oil treatment, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Diamond Scrub Exfoliator and just buff off my lips because I want to make sure that they're extra smooth before I put any kind of lip product on. Now in the Diamond Scrub Exfoliator, I showed you guys in a previous video how it comes. It comes with disposable brushes. However, I do have a wand of my own that I use on my lips that I keep at my desk, all bedazzled and shit. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, scrub, and let it work its magic. Exfoliate my lips. Where you get the top, I just lick it right off. I'm not even about to flex with y'all like that. Okay. Barely. sugar crystals. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of the Colada Beauty Lavish Lip Oil Treatment and just put a little bit over my lips. It's really good to do after you scrubbed your lips, whether you choose to use the mask, which is kind of sold out right now, or you use the treatment. You want to make sure that you are replenishing that moisture back into your skin. Let me go ahead and put my Colada lip balm on. So I'm going to take the Henny Colada lip balm. Just do 1, 2, 3. I don't want them to be too hydrated though. So I'm just gonna blot it with my dry fingers. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of liner and gloss. So I'm gonna outline my lips. Y'all know I love to overline my lips. Okay, and I'm gonna take a little bit of my Colada Beauty Henny Colada lip gloss. These squeeze tubes come with every Colada balm purchase. That's a look. High-key look. Oh, you know what? No, I forgot. Y'all know I got this little birthmark right here. This little mole. I like to accentuate that. Now we get it. All right. Let's take a moment. Take a moment to take all of this in. Look at this. This is a look. This hair is giving me life. Like... it just swings and like I'm going like this. No shedding. Nope. No shedding. Not bad. Not bad for a little $15 pony. Okay, y'all, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, found it helpful in any way, please make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified of my future uploads. I hope to see you soon.